Hey everyone, welcome to Pinnacle MedQuest. Today we are creating the roadmap to crack NEET 2027. NEET 2027 is getting closer every single day. Without a clear plan, it's easy to waste months. So today I am sharing the exact map I'll be following from completing biology by October to finishing physics and chemistry by December or January. Let's get started. Let's start with biology. There are 32 chapters and I have around 9 months left for NEET. My goal is to complete the entire biology syllabus by October. For every chapter, I first watch a one-shot lecture to understand the concepts. Then I'll read the NCERT multiple times and highlight the important points. My target is to complete one chapter in about 3 days, which means I can finish around 9 to 10 chapters every month. Along with completing the syllabus, I'll keep revising previous chapters so I don't forget what I have already studied. Now let's talk about physics. This is the subject where I want to spend more time because understanding concepts is more important than rushing through the syllabus. My plan is different for weak and strong chapters. For weak chapters, I'll watch full lectures, solve DPPs and practice previous year questions. For chapters I'm already comfortable with, I'll revise using one-shot lectures and solve questions. My target is to complete about 3 chapters every month and solve at least 50 to 100 questions every day. If I stay consistent, I'll complete my syllabus by December or if needed, January. For chemistry, there are around 23 to 24 chapters. My goal is to complete this subject by December or January. I'll study 3 to 4 chapters every month. In physical chemistry, I'll focus on lectures, DPPs, previous year questions and NCERT. For organic chemistry, I'll practice previous year questions and revise reaction mechanisms regularly. For inorganic chemistry, NCERT revision will be my top priority. Every chapter will include lectures, question practice and revision so that I build strong concepts instead of just finishing my syllabus. And that's my complete roadmap for NEET 2027. This is the plan I'll be following every single day and I'll be sharing my progress, study vlogs and everything I learn along the way. If you're also preparing for NEET 2027, let's stay consistent and achieve our dream together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Pinnacle MedQuest for more NEET preparation videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep studying, keep believing and keep moving one step closer to your white coat. Bye.